Now let me introduce our company's ZW8110E-DC resistance tester. The device is touch and button, dual purpose. This is the power switch, power jack, ground wire hole, test line connection, port and printer. This instrument is equipped with a touch screen pen. The side of the device is equipped with a charging port. This model has a built-in lithium battery, communication interface, RS-232 interface, reserve, USB-A, USB-B interface, used for data transmission. When the device power switch is adjusted to DC position, it is powered by batteries. Connect the power cord to the device and turn the power switch to AC position to use the power supply. Next, we will introduce the functions of the screen interface. The first one is the current selection. The maximum is 10 amps with automatic gear. The minimum is less than 5 milliamps. This is phase/tap. Customers can choose according to their test needs. Make your selection by touching the plus and minus signs on the icons. The red one starts the test. Click it, and the device will automatically test. Click to enter the measurement settings. You can select and set the current temperature, converted temperature, and the material of the measured product. Data query interface. You can also query, export, and print experimental data. Currently, the data is empty. Finally, there is the system setting. After clicking to enter, you can modify the device time, adjust the screen brightness, and erase data. Erase data can clear all test results saved in the instrument. Note: data cannot be restored after being cleared, so please operate with caution. The overall introduction of the DC resistance tester is completed. Next, we will demonstrate the equipment experiment process. First, turn off the power. Then, connect the test line. Connect the ground wire to ground the equipment to ensure test safety. Next, connect the test wires. Connect the thick red test wire to the device current port I+, and the thin red test wire to the device voltage port V+. The connection method of the black test line is the same as that of the red test line. Next, connect the corresponding test clamp to the port of the product under test. After wiring is completed, turn on the power switch. When testing for the first time, we can select the automatic current gear and then select the group and gear we need to test. Here we select AB end and gear 2. After setting, click Start Test. The device automatically determines the current and starts testing. Wait for the electromagnetic balance to be reached and the data to be stable. Then you can read the result. Click F1 to save, or you can directly click to print the result. After the test is finished, click End and the device will start discharging. Next, we can directly select the 10 amp current range to test again. First, switch the test clamp connection position. Then, select the corresponding group according to the test you need. Click to start the test. Wait for the data to stabilize and then read it. You can click Save or print the experimental data. After each experiment is completed, click End and wait for the device to be discharged before proceeding to the next group test. After the entire experiment is completed, turn off the power, first remove the test line on the device, then remove the end connected to the tested product, and finally remove the power line and ground line. This device adopts the latest power supply technology and has the characteristics of small size, lightweight, large output current, good repeatability, strong anti-interference ability, and perfect protection function. The whole machine is controlled by a high-speed single-chip microcomputer with a high degree of automation and has automatic discharge and discharge alarm functions. It has high test accuracy and simple operation and can realize the rapid measurement of transformer DC resistance.